Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hey there, friends. It's me, Buzzy the Owl. I have a big question for you today. Have you ever wondered, why do we need to go to school? Let's find out together. When you go to school, you learn all kinds of cool things. We can learn how to count, read, write, and explore new subjects like science, art, and even history. Just like how Buzzy loves learning about the world. School helps us discover everything that makes the world around us so amazing. You can be a scientist, an artist, or even a space explorer when you learn at school. School is also a place to meet new friends. You get to play games, share stories, and work on projects with other kids. Making new friends is just as important as learning new things. Making friends helps us learn how to work together, be kind, and share. Friends are always there to help you, just like me. Going to school prepares you for all the awesome things you can do in the future. You can dream of being anything, like a doctor, an astronaut, a teacher, or even an artist. The skills you learn in school will help you follow your dreams. Wow! I might even want to become a scientist who studies space or a teacher who helps kids learn. School is where it all starts. See? School is awesome. It helps us learn, make friends, and dream big for the future. So next time you go to school, remember, you're on an exciting adventure of learning. That's right. School is a fun place where every day is a new opportunity to grow. Thanks for exploring this question with me, and I hope you're excited about your next school adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our fun learning adventures. Keep buzzing and learning with me.
Let's go to school, what will we find? Books to read and friends so kind. Learning math and science too. So many things to learn and do. Let's go to school, it's so much fun. We learn and play under the sun. Reading, writing, counting too. School helps me and you. We ask questions every day. What's the sun? What makes it stay? From ABCs to 1, 2, 3. School's the place where we're all free. Let's go to school, it's so much fun. We learn and play under the sun. Reading, writing, counting too. School helps me and you. School's the place where dreams come true. What will we learn next? Let's find out too. Let's go to school, let's go today. Learning, laughing all the way. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now, so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.